So in today's video, we're going to take you through the process of building a garage out back. So as you can see here, we just got wrapped up completing our 24 by 35 foot metal garage. My initial thought was to stick frame a garage. I had all the plans made up, lumber package priced, and I kind of was going that route because I could save on labor. I was just assuming I'd put the foundation in 1 year and the following year stick frame it and wrap it up, just to try to save some money. To give you an idea, the lumber package was probably around $20,000. Before I priced out the lumber package, I was thinking of potentially going the metal building route, but I contacted a couple different vendors, one of them being like Morton Building. Everybody's seen those around, and the price I got from them to build this equivalent, so same dimensions, lean-to on one side, it's not insulated, nothing too special. The initial price I got from them was $65,000, and that was out of my budget. That's not what I wanted to spend. So just luckily, before I was able to order the lumber package, I stumbled across this ad on Facebook for US metal structures. So they had a couple prices listed in there. I said, oh, that's pretty interesting. So I reached out to them, got a price, and it went from there. So this whole process actually went pretty quick. I was looking through my messages, and initially my first inquiry went out September 15th, and between the site work, concrete, getting the building installed, this was completed on October 24th. So yeah, moved pretty quick. I wanted to jump on it before prices went any higher. But yeah, so I went through US Metal Structures. They subcontracted the assembly or something here right in Connecticut, and they sent 3 guys up here with the building, and they had this pretty much installed in 2 days. I was just looking for something that was watertight and rodent tight, essentially, for storing the lawnmower, that equipment, the equipment that I kind of want to keep out of the weather. The guys that came here, they came here on a Saturday, and it was pretty much completed on a Sunday. It would have been completed, but they were short on a couple trim pieces that they needed to wrap up, so they wrapped that up on first thing the next business day. Very happy. They're definitely hard workers, very pleasant, very professional. They think they did a great job. So what we're gonna do is we'll jump right into the video. I'll show you the time lapse from kind of starting with the site work to them installing, and yeah, let's get started. we're all done with the time lapse and the concrete pad's finished. So they ended up pouring and stripping the same day. So it came out pretty nice. I just wrapped up spreading a few loads of loam. I'm getting ready for the individuals to come install the building, hopefully this week coming up. So a little bit about the pour. This is monolithic, 12 inches wide, 18-inch deep haunches. I also decided to pour the porch at the same time as well because it would have been a light load fee pouring it after. So while they were here, they just knocked it out in one shot. Let's see what happens when the building guys get here. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna get to wrapping up, cleaning this up, and getting some stuff moved in here. So I'll probably show some videos later on. I got some landscaping I got to do around it to make it look a little neater, and then we'll show you what the end result is, or close to the end result. It'll never be, you know, completed perfectly, but we'll show you what it looks like with all the items in here. Thanks for watching.